Crystal Thompson here for Unity. Today I'm so excited to be here. We are releasing Birthday Go Around. This is one of the brand new stamp sets releasing today, and we're going to pair this with the wreath builder. So this is another wreath builder to go with it. We're also going to be using the ultra-fine black Simon Says stamp embossing powder, and we're using one of the sentiments from the kit, and look how large this stamp set is. It's absolutely stunning, absolutely in love with it. For our ink color selections, we're going to be using Catherine Pooler and Tiara for the Flame, Garden Party for one of the presents, Flirty Fuchsia, and Daydream. I know these are kind of funky, but it's going to be a really fun card. So let me show you how we're going to begin using the wreath builder. So I have my original size Misty, or my regular size Misty, the 6.5 by 8, and we have the 4 3/4 wreath builder. So we are actually going to attach the wreath builder to the Misty. You can use clear tape or you can use purple tape, whatever your preference is just to get it to not move. Then I have pre-cut a piece of cardstock, and this is going to fit right in the center, and this is really what's going to get rotated every time. All right, once that's set, let's begin by setting up our little images. So we're going to do a present, a candle, a present, and another candle. And we're just going to cluster them like so. Now we're going to press down, and then you can come in and grab your ink. So we're going to start with Daydream. Then we're going to do Flirty Fuchsia. And you can do these individually. I'm not going to, because it makes it really easy with these foam ink pads to just go ahead and just ink up what you want. I'm going to do the Garden Party. And then I'm going to clean off that one and then come back with Daydream. And then we're going to make this yellow. You can use a paper towel. I just like to use my finger. Then I can wash my hands after it is all set and done. We're going to go and press this down. And look how fun that is. We're going to flip it over, and we're going to repeat that process. All right, guys, once we are completely done, we have our birthday go around. We're going to remove this, and now we're going to start assembling our card. I really want some splatters on my card, so I'm going to place this on a white base. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my Flirty Fuchsia, and I'm going to add some ink to the lid. I'm going to grab water. I'm going to mix it around to make a nice pigmented water base here, and then we're going to splatter on my white card base, and we're going to splatter on the birthday round that we just stamped. So once you're happy with the amount of embellishment, I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible and not add any sequins or anything like that for the purpose of mailing. We're going to give that a little bit to dry, and then we're going to attach it onto this white card base. All right, guys, we are gonna go ahead and foam mount this, and there's no right, wrong way to do it. Since it's a square, you can just pick whatever choice of a square side you like. We're gonna press this down, it's foam mount, and now we're gonna work on our sentiment. So I have a piece of vellum ready to go that has been trimmed to match my sentiment, and this says have the best birthday ever, and you see how it fits pretty well, and we're going to place that right on the center. So I'm going to come in, I'm going to grab my embossing body, and that way it gets a nice clear image. Then I'm going to grab my Simon Says stamp clear embossing ink. I'm going to ink this up, and we're going to be using black embossing powder. We're going to place that right on the center. And then we're going to grab our black embossing powder. You know, it'd be really fun. I don't have it, but if you had matching embossing powder to match one of your inks, that'd be really fun. It would just make everything nice and coordinated. I'm gonna run this through my heat embossing gun, and then we're gonna place it on our card. All right, friends, it is ready to go. So we're actually gonna place some of the Tombow adhesive. I'm gonna make 2 strips, and then we're gonna place it on the center of our card. So we're gonna go ahead and just center it as much as possible. And then you're gonna have some overhang. I do, you can cut it exactly, but I like to really get a little bit of extra product because then my strips end up being kind of crooked and they don't look clean. So we're gonna finish that, and that does it. How fun and how colorful is this card? I hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial. Be sure to click subscribe so we can keep giving you these free videos and tutorials. If you like the stamp set, it is a new release from Unity Stamp Company. I will put the links below. And be sure to go onto Instagram because there is a giveaway for you to win some Unity goodies.